Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cross-post videos to multiple Facebook pages. Here, you can see that I am on the Facebook profile. The first step is to switch to your page profile. To do this, click on the profile icon, then select your page profile. While you are on the page profile, click on the profile icon again. Now click on Settings and Privacy, then Settings. In the left side menu, click on Media. In this menu, you will have the option to enable cross-posting. Here, you need to enter the link of another page with which you want to cross-post. But before that, you should know that only pages that follow each other can turn on these settings. So I will go to another tab where I have another page opened. From here, you need to copy this link. If you are the owner of both pages, then it's pretty easy to get. But if you're cross-posting to someone else's page, make sure they give you permission or send you the link. If you don't have that, it's not going to work. Now go back to the main page and paste the link. If the pages follow each other, the page name should appear. Click on the page. In the pop-up, click on Next, then Done. And your work is finished. Once you add the page, the person who owns or manages the other page will receive a notification that you want to cross-post with them. They just need to go to their page and accept it. That's basically how you can cross-post to other pages. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.